So the outline of this video will be like this. First we will talk about why we should study Atlas for UPSC Civil Services or any other competitive exam, or you are student of history, geography, international relations or so on. Then we will talk about how to use Atlas for international relations while reading the Hindu newspaper. After that we will learn how to use the Atlas for world history. World history के लिए Atlas कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाए. Then we will talk about how we can use Atlas for Indian history. Indian history पढ़ने के लिए हम Atlas कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Then fifth point that we will discuss is that is it necessary to take notes from Atlas or mark the important stuff there itself. Atlas से notes लेने important है क्या, और अगर है तो कैसे निकाले, और अगर नहीं तो फिर क्या करना चाहिए. Then finally the most important thing and many aspirants ask is that which Atlas should we refer. हमें कौन सा Atlas रेफर करना चाहिए. Should we go for Oxford Student Atlas Edition or should we go for Orient Black Swan or is there any other Atlas that you recommend. आपको कौन सा Atlas यूज करना चाहिए, ऑक्सफोर्ड वाला या फिर ओरिएंट ब्लैक स्वान वाला. तो ये सारी चीज़ों की जानकारी हमें इस वीडियो में मिलेगी. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल एड्रेस ऑल योर क्वेरीज अबाउट द एटलास. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Beside UPSC syllabus and previous year's questions, it is the third most important thing that you should always keep at your desk. UPSC syllabus और previous year's question छोड़ के ये तीसरी ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको अपने डेस्क पे रखनी है. Having command over Atlas or world map is very important, not only for geography but to understand other subjects of general studies as well. Atlas का यूज़ सिर्फ geography के लिए सीमित नहीं है, वो जो बाकी के जनरल स्टडीज के सब्जेक्ट होते हैं उसमें भी काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो यू शुड हैव एटलास एट योर डेस्क ऑलवेज. नाउ हाउ टू यूज एन एटलास. फर्स्ट, टू अंडरस्टैंड वर्ल्ड आर्टिकल्स. Yesterday President visited Guinea. If you don't know where it is located, this article will not make any sense to you. सब बाउंसर चला जाएगा. So to understand international relations and issues, you should know the specific location of that place, and eventually you will understand the geopolitical importance of that place. Now second, you can use it to understand world history. If you don't have any idea where France and Germany is located, how will you know that they are friends or foes? अगर आपको जर्मनी और फ्रांस की लोकेशन ही नहीं पता तो उसके बीच में का रिलेशन आपको कैसे पता चलेगा. आपको एक चीज पता है, नेबर्स की हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं बनती. यू नो दैट नेबर डोंट गो अलॉन्ग वेल मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. सो बाय हैविंग एटलास ऑन योर डेस्क यू विल अंडरस्टैंड विच कंट्री हैज पॉसिबल रीजंस टू लव और हेट अदर कंट्री. सिमिलरली देयर आर ट्रेड हॉटस्पॉट्स लाइक सुएज कैनाल, मलक्का स्ट्रेट, पनामा कैनाल. By only glancing through their location, you can identify they are important, and for that reasons, these places are always in the news. कुछ locations ऐसे हैं जिनको देख के ही पता चलता है वो geopolitically काफी important है, जैसे कि सुएज कनाल, मलक्का स्ट्रेट and पनामा कैनाल. Now you can use the atlas to understand Indian history. You will realize it after checking the map of India and correlating it with the Indian history. You will realize that why India never got attacked from the northern side, but people always came from northwestern sides and attacked India. This is also the reason why Punjab was troubled throughout the history of India. First Aryans came, they wiped out civilization. Then came Alexander, Kushans, Scythians, Parthians and Turks, then Mongols and Mughals and so on. All these people came from northwest and they mixed with India and Indian culture, while Britishers came from seas and found difficult to mix because of culture differences, as culture largely depends on geography. So Britishers never mixed with Indians, and that is why Indians were not happy with them. To conclude, it is important to have Atlas by your side while you are studying, and especially if you are preparing for civil services. Now, how to study Atlas? My recommendation is that do not make any special notes from Atlas. Just highlight important places using highlighter Mark anything if you think or feel it is worth marking. Also, highlight important lines or imaginary lines such as equator or Greenwich Meridian or Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn, because for prelims questions can come out of these. Now those who are subscriber, I have question for you. What do you mean by latitude, longitude, parallels and meridian? आंसर इन कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. हमने ज्योग्राफी के सेकंड लेक्चर में पढ़ा था. आपको बताना है व्हाट इज लैटिट्यूड, लॉन्जिट्यूड क्या है, पैरेलल्स क्या है एंड मेरिडियंस क्या होता है. Finally, this specific atlas has previous year's questions at the end which you can solve, and also it will help you to get an idea how UPSC is framing questions out of atlas. Now some students get confused which atlas we should use. Now here I have two atlas. One from the Oxford and other is from the Orient Black Swan. Basically both of these atlas are same and equally good, though there are some subtle differences. Oxford Atlas has questions at the back and Orient Black Swan does not have questions at the back. I don't know whether new edition of the Orient Black Swan has questions at the back or not. But as of now, this is what I know, that Orient Black Swan Atlas does not have questions. On the downside, Oxford Atlas is little expensive while Orient Black Swan is cheaper. So finally you can go with anyone or both of them. If you can afford, you can use both of them. Now in case if I have missed some points, you can go to the blog www.indiashastra.com. Now this is all from my side. You can check the links in the description below for more such videos and more information. Thank you, bye and take care.